Hola, soy yo, Vicky, otra vez. Hello, it's me, Vicky, again. Now, in this video, I just want to tell you the details of my new Patreon channel. And basically, I will still be doing free videos here on this channel, on the YouTube channel. I'm hoping to still continue to do 2 videos a week, or at least one. Time is a big problem to making the videos, and it's very difficult with YouTube to sort of build up the watch hours to get what's called monetized. So, I get no financial recompense whatsoever for doing the YouTube videos, which is fine. I'm quite happy to do them. I hope they help you. That's the idea of them. But I've set up the Patreon channel for a little bit of income, if you like, and there's some benefits on there if you are interested in subscribing to my Patreon channel from as little as €3 a month. I want to explain to you the different tiers and the advantages, if you like, or what the advantages are of signing up for the Patreon channel. So basically, for €3 a month, you would be a Bronze Star student, and all Bronze Star students receive advance viewing, if you like, of the video. So as the videos come out on my normal YouTube channel, they will always come out on the Patreon channel at least 2 days, if not 3 or 4 days earlier than they'll come out on the normal YouTube channel. And all the videos on the Patreon channel are unlocked for Bronze Star students. They're unlocked for every subscriber to that channel. So you can see any of the videos and also get the advance viewing, if you like, of them. But I think the most attractive thing, I suppose, I would say, if I was signing up for it, is there'll be a lot of extra videos that aren't on this normal YouTube channel already. I've put several videos, including top tips. I'm working my way through the top tips that are in the books, but actually presenting a video on them, so much more complete explanations of how these tips will help you with your Spanish. Now, I'm a few in. I mean, it takes me time to load them all up, obviously, but bit by bit, they will all be on there from all the different levels. So I've just started working my way through level 1. I've also just this morning uploaded a video explaining how I learnt Spanish, because lots of people ask me, where did you learn Spanish? How did you learn Spanish? So I've uploaded a video with explaining that, and any tips, literally personal tips from personal experience that I have in improving your Spanish and learning Spanish. And I am living proof that it can be done, because I did not know any Spanish before I came to Spain. So yeah, for a Bronze Star student, for €3 per month, those are the advantages. Advance notice of videos and extra videos that cannot be watched on the normal YouTube channel. If you want to become a Silver Star student, which is €6 a month, that is those bonuses as well, obviously, for the Bronze Star student. But an extra is you can actually request videos. I will make a video specifically on your request. So something that you particularly would like to see, I'm planning on question and answer sessions where people can send me. I would do a live session where I'm answering the questions and queries that people have sent in to me. I'm also hoping, because I have English students as well, I have people that are learning English. I'm hoping somehow we've just got to work out how to do it to encourage a sort of an interchange of languages. So I've got plenty of students who are trying to learn English, plenty of students that are trying to learn Spanish. So trying to bring them together in some way that maybe you, obviously once I've introduced you and you sort that out yourself between yourselves, You can organise maybe Zoom meetings or whatever where you can each practice your Spanish. So these are all things that will be available for Silver Star students on top of what is also available for Bronze Star students. And then if you like the Prime channel, if you like the Prime subscription, is Gold Star students. And Gold Star students receive all those things that the other Bronze Star and Silver Star students receive. And also one free one-to-one class every month. Well, that in itself is worth €20. A private class with me is €20. So that basically is more than your subscription anyway. 1 hour per month where you can ask me questions. We can go through whatever you actually just you and me on a Zoom call, and we can talk about whatever you want to talk about as far as Spanish is concerned, and ask your questions directly and privately. So I hope these things are attractive to you. If you feel like it, please join my Patreon channel, and I hope to see you there. I will be doing, bear in mind it's early days, it's only been a few days since I've set it up, so there's a lot of things that I'd like to do with it, competitions, extra things that I don't have time to do with my YouTube. This normal YouTube channel will continue, and I still will be uploading completely free videos to learn Spanish and English. But the Patreon channel is a little bit more, and it's more of a personal classroom kind of thing. That's my idea of making it more of a classroom for people, and so we'll see how it goes. So anyway, thank you for watching this. Thank you for any time you have liked one of my videos, or if you've subscribed, thank you so much for that. I do appreciate all my subscribers, I really do. I've been very pleased with how the channel has grown. Just one thing I want to mention, that although I noticed that YouTube are putting adverts on my videos, I am not monetized with YouTube. I think they're really quite sneaky. I'm really a bit upset with them, because they're not only they're putting videos on, but they're normally videos to advertise other people who teach Spanish. So it's a little bit naughty, but what can you do against the giants that are YouTube? Okay, so please take care of yourselves. Que tu Dios vaya contigo, y te veo muy pronto en el próximo video. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego. Adiós.